The Indian Judiciary. The judiciary is an important organ of the government. It is the custodians of the constitution. This means it keeps a check on the functioning of the government and ensures that the functions are according to the rule of law. It is considered to be totally impartial and hence non-political. Its main function is to protect the right and freedom of citizens, administer justice and settle disputes in accordance with the laws of the Constitution and those enacted by the legislature. Justice is possible only if the judiciary is impartial and unbiased in its decisions. Therefore, it is important that the judiciary remains independent of the executive and legislature. Structure of the Indian judiciary. The Indian judiciary system is a single unified system. The Constitution has provided for independent judiciary headed by the Supreme Court. The structure of the Indian judiciary is in fact a pyramidal structure where the Supreme Court is at the apex. Below the Supreme Court are the High Courts. The High Court is the highest court at the state level. Some states and union territories share a common High Courts. Below the High Courts are the subordinate courts. As mentioned above, our judiciary is integrated. Therefore, cases from the lower courts can be appealed to the High Courts and ultimately to the Supreme Court. Types of cases. There are two types of cases, civil and criminal. Civil cases related to the disputes over money, property and social matters like inheritance, marriage disputes, etc. Sentences awarded in the civil cases include payment for damages to the party concerned. This type of case generally relate to a dispute between two private individuals. Criminal cases involve offences like thefts, robberies, murders, cheating, physical injury, etc. Evasion of tax is also a criminal offence. The sentences awarded in a criminal cases are fines and prison sentence for a short or long term, death sentences depending on the gravity of the crime. In criminal cases, the state itself is the complainant because a crime is seen as an offense against the society at large and not against an individual.